Welcome back, decorators. In this video, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform the look and feel of your home: front porch decorating ideas. Whether you have a sprawling wraparound porch or a cozy stoop, the right decor can make all the difference. Let's get into how you can make your front porch an inviting extension of your home, filled with style and charm. First off, let's talk about why you should invest time and effort into decorating your front porch. It's the first thing guests see when they visit your home, and it sets the tone for the rest of the house. A well-decorated porch can make a strong first impression, giving your home curb appeal and making it more welcoming. Plus, it creates a perfect spot for you to relax and enjoy the outdoors, whether you're sipping your morning coffee, reading a book, or chatting with neighbors. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of decorating your front porch. Start by considering the style of your home. You want your porch decor to complement the architectural style and color scheme of your house. For instance, if you have a traditional home, classic rockers, lanterns, and potted plants might be perfect. On the other hand, if your home is more modern, sleek furniture, geometric planters, and minimalist decor could be the way to go. One of the best ways to start decorating is by choosing the right furniture. Comfort and style should be your guiding principles. Think about how you plan to use the space. If you love to entertain, you might want a larger seating area with a mix of chairs, benches, and perhaps even a small dining table. For a more intimate setting, a couple of cozy chairs with a side table for your drinks might be perfect. Don't forget to add cushions and throws to make the space even more comfortable and inviting. Plants and greenery are another fantastic way to enhance your front porch. They add color, texture, and life to the space. Consider a mix of potted plants, hanging baskets, and window boxes. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and the specific conditions of your porch, whether it's in full sun or shaded. Seasonal flowers can be a great way to keep your porch looking fresh and vibrant throughout the year. Also, consider adding some herbs or fragrant plants like lavender or rosemary for an added sensory experience. Lighting is a crucial element that often gets overlooked. Good lighting can extend the use of your porch well into the evening and create a magical ambience. String lights are a popular choice for their versatility and charm. You can drape them around railings, overhead beams, or even through plants. Lanterns and sconces can provide more substantial lighting and add a decorative touch. Solar-powered lights are a great eco-friendly option and are easy to install. Decorative accessories can really personalize your porch and make it feel like an extension of your home. Think about adding a welcoming doormat, decorative pillows, and outdoor rugs. These items can introduce color and pattern and help define different areas of your porch. Wall art and mirrors can also be used outside to add interest and reflect light. Don't forget about seasonal decorations. Wreaths, garlands, and themed decor items can make your porch festive for holidays and special occasions. Another great tip is to create focal points with your decor. This could be a beautiful piece of furniture, a unique planter, or a piece of artwork. Focal points draw the eye and give the space a sense of purpose and structure. They can also help tie together different elements of your decor, making everything feel cohesive. Functionality is just as important as aesthetics. Think about adding storage solutions that are both practical and stylish. Benches with hidden storage, decorative baskets, and shelving can help keep your porch tidy and organized. This is especially useful if you have kids' toys, gardening supplies, or outdoor gear that needs a home. One of the advantages of decorating your front porch is that it can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. A beautiful, well-thought-out porch can make your home more attractive to potential buyers if you're thinking about selling. It also enhances your daily living experience by providing a beautiful and functional outdoor space. For those with small porches, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to make the most of a limited space. Opt for space-saving furniture like foldable chairs and tables, or consider built-in seating that doubles as storage. Vertical gardening is another great solution for small spaces. Use wall-mounted planters or a trellis to grow your favorite plants without taking up floor space. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your own front porch makeover. There's so much you can do with this space, and it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes small changes can make a big difference. Let's talk about a few more detailed ideas and tricks to elevate your porch decor even further. Seasonal changes are a fantastic way to keep your front porch looking fresh and updated throughout the year. For spring and summer, think about vibrant colors, fresh flowers, and lighter fabrics. Swap out your pillows and throws for ones with bright, cheerful patterns. Consider adding some fun, summery decor items like lanterns, outdoor candles, or a colorful outdoor rug. When fall rolls around, embrace the rich, warm colors of the season. Think oranges, reds, and browns. Pumpkins, gourds, and mums are great additions to your porch during this time. A cozy blanket draped over a chair and a wreath made of autumn leaves can make your porch feel welcoming and festive. Winter decor can be equally charming. Evergreens, pine cones, and fairy lights create a magical, cozy atmosphere. If you celebrate holidays like Christmas, don't be afraid to go all out with garlands, lights, and festive ornaments. Even in colder weather, your porch can be a warm and inviting space. Don't forget about comfort. If you have the space, a porch swing can be a delightful addition. There's something incredibly soothing about gently swaying while enjoying the fresh air. Add a few soft cushions and a throw blanket for extra coziness. Another idea to consider is the use of outdoor curtains. Not only do they add a touch of elegance and privacy, but they can also provide shade on hot, sunny days. Choose fabrics that are durable and weather-resistant to ensure they last throughout the seasons. For those of you with a larger porch, creating distinct areas can make the space more functional and visually appealing. You might have a seating area for relaxing, a dining area for meals, and even a small garden corner. Using rugs and furniture arrangements to define these spaces can make your porch feel more like an outdoor room. If you're into DIY projects, your front porch is a perfect place to showcase your creativity. Homemade planters, custom signs, or even repurposed furniture can add a unique, personal touch to your space. There are countless tutorials online to guide you through these projects, regardless of your skill level. Remember, symmetry can be your friend when decorating a porch. Matching planters on either side of the door, paired lanterns, or even a symmetrical arrangement of furniture can create a balanced and harmonious look. Symmetry is pleasing to the eye and can make your porch feel more organized and intentional. For those who love a vintage or rustic look, flea markets and antique shops can be treasure troves for unique porch decor. Old crates, vintage signs, and antique furniture can add character and charm. Mixing these finds with more modern elements can create an eclectic, inviting space. Think about incorporating some personal touches. Family photos in weatherproof frames, a welcome sign with your family name, or even some artwork created by your kids can make the space feel truly yours. These personal elements add warmth and personality, making your porch an extension of your home's interior. Lastly, think about how you can make your porch an extension of your indoor living space. Use similar colors, materials, and styles to create a seamless transition between the inside and outside of your home. This can make your porch feel like a true part of your living area, rather than just an afterthought. So there you have it, dear decorators. Everything you need to know to transform your front porch into a beautiful, welcoming space. With a bit of creativity and some thoughtful planning, you can create a porch that's not only stylish but also functional and inviting. Whether you're entertaining guests or just enjoying some quiet time outdoors, a well-decorated porch can truly enhance your home and lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. And as always, happy decorating!